Benefits of correct platen height. Maximum print quality. Minimize ink mist. Reduce platen height errors. A black locking lever is located under the platen. Rotate the lever backwards to allow for height adjustment. Rotate it forward to lock the height adjustment. The gray lever is for height adjustment. The top position P is used exclusively for printing paper, such as nozzle checks, status sheets, and job log prints. Each adjustment increment lowers the platen by 1 millimeter. At the default setting, the platen can be lowered up to 8 millimeters or 1/3 inch. How to select the best platen height for a t-shirt. Set the platen height to 1. Prepare a t-shirt for printing on the platen. Ensure the garment is perfectly flat with no seams, collars, or raised areas. Press the movable base button to perform a platen height check. As the garment moves into the printer, an LED beam scans the surface. If anything breaks the beam, it's too close to the printhead, and a platen height error will display on the LCD panel. To remedy this error, the platen must be lowered. Press the movable base button to move the platen back out. Reach under the platen and loosen the locking lever. Adjust the platen height down 1 stop to 2. Rotate it forward to lock the height adjustment. Press the movable base button to recheck platen height. The first height to achieve a ready display is the minimum platen height for this thickness of garment. Repeat this test for different thicknesses of garments. When printing garments with seams and collars, a lower platen height needs to be set. The number set is relative to the garment in use and how it is loaded. Thicker garments require lower platen height settings. Benefits of the first ready position. Maximize print quality. Minimize ink mist. Negatives of the first ready position. Risk of ink drops on garment. Garment fibers reaching the printhead. Risk of platen height error. For modes that run the garment under the printhead more than once. Cannot accommodate a thin seam or collar. Less than 1 millimeter thick. Benefits of 1 stop down from the first ready position. Same image quality as the first ready position. Very little risk of ink drops from garment fibers. Very little risk of platen height error. Less than 1 millimeter thick. Can accommodate a thin seam or collar. For modes that run the garment under the printhead more than once. Negatives of 1 stop down from the first ready position. Slight increase in ink misting. Using the sleeve platen and printing garments thicker than 8 on the setting ring. In order to accommodate the sleeve platen and to print very thick garments, the numbered ring must be removed. First, remove this screw. Next, release the locking lever to remove the upper plate. Remove the 3 screws and washers securing the height adjustment ring. Remove the gray height adjustment lever. Remove the numbered ring. Replace the gray height adjustment lever. There's no need to replace the 3 screws. There's now nothing for them to hold. Reinstall the top plate. You are now ready to attach the sleeve platen.